BPI Trade Tutorial: How to create a BPI Trade account online. And if you're new to this channel and you want more helpful videos like this, please click the subscribe button. In this video, we will create a BPI Trade account. Ito yung itsura ng BPI Trade. Ma-access mo to kapag nakapag-register ka na and nakapag-login successfully. Through BPI Trade, pwede kang mag-invest sa stock market online. Napili namin ng BPI Trade dahil pag nag-open ka ng account, hindi required na mag-fund agad or mag-provide ng kahit anong amount. And pag nagawa na yung BPI Trade account mo, pwede kang mag-invest kahit maliit lang na kapital. So, paano ba itong investment na to? Madali lang siyang gawin if you already have a BPI savings account. Ipapakita namin sa mga next videos namin kung paano mag-transfer, paano mag-invest, and paano mag-withdraw online. And by the way, kung wala ka pang deposit account with BPI, we created a video about it. You can pause this video and click this I button to check that video. So for BPI Trade tutorial number 1, this is BPI Trade account creation. Here are the requirements para makapag-open ng account. First, application form and other forms. Later on, ipapakita ko kung ano yung mga forms na to. Second one, valid ID and photocopy ng ID. Third, tax identification number or TIN. Required talaga to kapag mag-i-invest ka. And of course, dapat existing BPI account holder ka na. Dito kasi dadaan ng pera na i-invest mo sa BPI Trade. Isa to sa mga dahilan kung bakit pinili namin yung BPI Trade sa pag-invest sa stock market. Since BPI account holder na ako, mas convenient para sa akin na mag-invest sa BPI Trade kasi online pwede na ako mag-transfer ng money from my BPI account to BPI Trade. Possible na hingan ka pa ng other requirements. Depende yan sa discretion ng bank officer. Pwede nilang i-ask yung source of income mo or proof ng mga remittances. Kung meron ka ng mga requirements na to, let's go ahead and start creating an account online. To create an account, go to bpitrade.com. Actually, may dalawang options sa pag-create ng account. Yung first option, pupunta ka muna sa main office nila sa Makati para ipasa personally yung documents. Ito yung address. While for second option, you can create your account online and then submit the requirements to any branch ng BPI na malapit sa inyo. For OFW or if you are not in the Philippines, you can create an account online and you can mail the documents to this address. And for this video, ang gagawin natin is yung second option. We will first create an account online. So let's proceed and click this button, open an account. And here's the general terms and conditions. Pwede mong basahin to pero medyo mahaba-haba siya. Sa akin, I'll go ahead and click I agree. And here's the process and yung mga requirements sa pagpasa sa BPI Trade. Later on, dadaanan natin tong lahat. I-detail ko to as we progress sa video. As mentioned earlier, part ng requirements yung mga forms. Ito yung mga forms na yon. First, you have to download this individual account or joint account. Depende kung ano yung gusto mong i-open na account. Second, kailangan mong i-download tong FATCA form. Fill upan mo to and ipapasa mo to sa BPI. Third, hindi to required sa lahat. Required lang tong IRS form, itong dalawa, if you are US person or non-US person with US indicia. Ibig sabihin, either pinanganak ka sa US, nakatira ka sa US, may US phone number ka, or anything basta affiliated ka sa US, you need to check this form and see kung may kailangan kang sagutan dito. So let's go ahead and open this individual account. Ito yung itsura ng form na fill upan mo online. Pwede kang mag-type dito. So, I will go through this very quick. For user ID, ikaw ang gagawa nito. Dapat minimum of 6 characters to 10 alphanumeric characters. Ibig sabihin, like for me, pwede kong ilagay dito na I am Lulu 10. So, tinanggap siya kasi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 characters lang to. So, pasok sa requirement. For password, ako rin yung gagawa ng sarili kong password. Kailangan ko ano yung password na ilagay ko rito is mag-match dito pag niretype ko siya. So, maglalagay ako ng password na combination of letters, characters, and numbers. For password, dapat 7 to 20 characters siya. Then, kailangan nang mamili ng security question. Either any of this. Importante na hindi mo makalimutan yung sagot sa security question kasi in case na makalimutan mo yung password next time, pwede mong ma-reset yung password by answering your security question. And then here, you have to provide your personal details. May name dito, may birth details, civil status, gender din, citizenship. For tax identification number, required siya. May red asterisk. Ibig sabihin kapag may ganitong symbol, may red asterisk, required siya. Pag mag-i-invest ka, lagi talaga ina-ask yung TIN or yung tax identification number. For GSIS and other details here, hindi to required. For additional information, i-ask lang yung employment status mo. Pwedeng employed, pwedeng housewife, retired, self-employed, student, and others. And i-ask lang din yung details ng work. For this section, i-ask kung employee ka ba ng BPI Securities or employee ng BPI or nag-work ka ba for a registered broker or dealer or officer ka ba or director ng Philippine Stock Exchange. Dito chine-check if there's a conflict of interest. Kapag any of this, yes yung sagot mo. As I've mentioned, may possibility na may conflict of interest and hindi ma-approve yung account mo. If mali yung nalalaman ko, please let me know by commenting below. And do you have an account with other brokers? Sa case ko, yes, kasi may account na ako sa COL. COL is an online broker, so I'll have it yes. For this section naman, I think there's no conflict of interest. Normal lang naman na magkaroon ka ng another account with other broker as part of maybe diversification or checking which one you prefer. And for investment objective, ang nilagay ko dito is long term. And dito ilalagay mo yung fund or financial details mo. For this area, as I've mentioned earlier, required na BPI account holder ka. So ilalagay mo rito yung account number mo, bank name, and other details about BPI. And for the last section, just provide your answer here kung applicable to sa case mo. And here in this section, i-ask lang nila kung paano mo nalaman yung BPI Trade. I think kung nalaman mo to through my video, you can provide here other person and include here invest library channel. We also have a website, investlibrary.com. Pwede mo rin ilagay dito. So, let me complete this form. Sa video, i-fast forward ko to and naka-blur na din yung personal details ko for security and confidentiality purposes. So, no for this. And that's it. And I'll click continue. And after clicking continue, dadaling ka sa details na to. Dito, pwede mong reviewin yung details mo kung tama ba. Kung may correction or kung may gusto kang baguhin, you can click the edit button. For my case, tama naman siya kasi ni-review ko na rin siya earlier. So, I'll click confirm. And here's the next process. Kailangan kong dalhin yung form to any BPI branch or BPI Family Bank branch. So, kailangan kong i-print yung form na ginawa ko kanina. Ito yung mga acceptable IDs, company ID, driver's license, SSS or UMID, passport, and may iba pang IDs dito. Pwede rin yung ibang IDs na hindi na-mention dito as deemed acceptable by your branch. Yung mga forms, hindi mo pa siya pipirmahan. Pinilapan mo lang siya. Pipirmahan mo lang siya kapag nasa BPI ka na and you're in front of a bank officer. And ito nga, ibibigay mo yung completed signed form and photocopy nung one valid ID mo sa bank officer. And BPI na yung magsisend ng documents sa BPI Securities Corporation. Wala naman tong bayad, sila nang bahala magpadala. Importante, hindi ka pa mag-i-invest kapag nag-apply ka ng account. Mag-i-invest ka lang kapag na-confirm na yung account mo. As soon as ma-approve yung account mo or ma-process yung account mo, maka-receive ka ng email. Ito yung email na na-receive ko from BPI. And by the way, if you are not in the Philippines, let's say OFW ka or foreigner ka, pwede mong email yung documents sa address na to. Pwede ka mag-request na i-signature verify yung documents. As mentioned also dito, hindi mo pa kailangan mag-invest. And same din nung kanina, as soon as ma-process yung account mo, makaka-receive ka rin ng email na katulad na pinakita ko kanina. So, I'll click next. And here is the form. I-print ko to. And once pa-print ko to, pupunta na ako sa BPI para ipasa yung mga documents. So, natapos na natin yung individual account. For FATCA, ganito yung itsura niya. May mga question dito na citizen ka ba or nakatira ka ba sa US? I'll have it no. And then dito, wala naman ako ilalagay. Pwedeng NA. Dito, lahat ng sagot ko rito is no din. Also for this, no din. So, pipirmahan ko rin tong file na to or tong document na to sa BPI na in front of bank officer. And for this, although hindi ko naman siya kailangan, ipapakita ko na din yung mga forms. Let's open this W9 form. This is for US person only. That includes US resident alien. Ito yung itsura niya. And then, let's check the W8 Ben form. Ito siya. This is not for US citizen. Yung W9 form kanina, pang US citizen yon. This one, pang non-US person, but with US in siya. Yun yung US place of birth, US resident or mailing address, US telephone number, and so on. Itong item 5, 6, 7, 8. Ito rin yung instruction na pinakita ko kanina while creating individual account. Ito siya. Last item, kung may questions ka or for example, hindi mo ma-access yung site or yung mga forms na to, natatagalan ka sa pag-process ng account mo, or any question related sa pag-open ng account, you can send an email dito, BPITrade applications at bpi.com.ph, or you can call 8246-5555. Yung business hours nila is Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 5:30. So, nasagutan ko na nga yung form, fill-upan ko na rin yung FATCA, I have all the requirements, may ID na ako, and nagpunta na rin ako sa BPI and submitted all these documents. Hindi naman nila ako hininga ng other ID, isang ID lang okay na. Hindi na rin ako hininga ng any proof of address or billing, kasi pag mag-open ka ng savings account, hinihingi nila yon. Pero this, for BPI Trade, hindi na nila hiningi. And ito nga yung email na na-receive ko, so magla-login ako sa BPI to check my account. So I enter here my username, my password, and click login. So may questions ulit dito. Are you related party in any broker dealers? So I'll say no. And here's the terms and condition. So I'll check this. I agree to the terms and conditions and click confirm. And ito na yung loob ng BPI Trade. So sa next video natin, i-explore natin to and mag-i-invest or mag-fund na tayo sa BPI Trade. And that's it. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please let us know by clicking the like button. You may also check this video, especially if you want to grow your money online. This is Lou from Invest Library. We invest, we share, you decide. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.